Students, today we will discuss what is a notice writing. So, first of all, I like to tell you that what is the notice. Children, notice plays an important role in schools. The students look at the notice board for information. And what information? About holidays, meetings, competitions and celebrations. Okay? So, look at the definition. A notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. So you might have understood that what is the notice. So students, notice is a short piece of communication which is written in a formal style. There is a definite style to convey important information to people. Okay. So now we have some notices here. The first notice is of Holy Faith International School. First of all, if it is the notice of the school, you have to write the name of the school. Then you will write notice. And then what you will do? You will first write the heading. And what is the heading about? About school holiday. And on the left side you will give the date. Okay. So now have a look what is the notice about. The school will remain closed for a week from 18 September 2020, you can say, to 24 September 2020 for the Commonwealth Games in New Delhi. Okay. And now in left side you have to give the name of the person and the designation of the person who has given this notice. Okay. So M. Mahapatra, he is the principal of Holy Faith International School. This was all about this notice. And what was it about? About the school holiday. So I hope that you might have understood. Children, this is another notice. And what is this notice about? This is about laws. Okay. So have a look at this notice. To which school it belongs? First of all, St. Mary's Convent School. This is the name of the school given here. And notice. And laws. Whenever you write a notice, when your wristwatch, water bottle or anything which you get lost in your school, so for this kind of notice you have to write laws. Okay. And on the left side you have to give the date, that is 12 October 2020. Okay. Now have a look at the notice. I lost my pink magnetic pencil box on 11 October 2020. Okay. The pencil box is new and has my name written on it. Okay. I left it in the school auditorium after my drawing competition. If anyone finds it, please deposit it in the office. Okay. So who has given this notice? Rimjim Roy. And in which class she studies? Class 6B. And what is the roll number? Roll number 18 told here. Okay. So this notice was from Rimjim Roy of class 6B of roll number 18. Okay. So what a notice that is based on lost, what requirement it should have. This I would like to tell you. First of all, you have to describe the lost article. Okay. So here it is told that it was a pencil box of pink magnetic color. Okay. And then you have to tell when it was lost. That is given here 11th October 2020. Okay. And now at last what you have to write? The owner's name, to whom the lost article belong, that is Rimjim Roy, and her class and section and roll number is also given here. Okay. So you might have understood that what requirement should a lost notice should have. Okay. Example 2. You found a red water bottle in the school playground. Write a notice to inform everybody about it and give the necessary details. Okay, so this is another example of a notice. And children, name of the school, Blooming Birds Public School. Okay, and notice, and the heading of the notice is found. So this is the notice that somebody found something in the school campus. Okay, and on the left side date is given 15 October 2020. Okay, now have a look at this notice. A red water bottle with a black cap and brown strap was found in the school playground on 10th October. The bottle has a sticker of Pokemon on it. Okay, anybody who has lost a water bottle as the one described above may contact Mr. Verma in the school office. Okay, so first of all, children, see that the description of the water bottle is given, and what it is described, a red water bottle. Okay, it is the description of the found object in the school campus, and it is a red water bottle with a black cap and brown strap. Okay, and then the place is told where it is found in the school playground, and on what date, 10th October. It was found on 10th October. Some more details about this bottle has been told, that the bottle is a sticker of Pokemon on it. Okay, and further information is, anybody who has lost a water bottle, whoever who has lost such kind of water bottle as one described above, may contact Mr. Verma in the school office. So the name of the person is given here, Mr. Verma, and where to contact him? In the school office, who is responsible to gather information about this red water bottle which is found in the school campus. And here on the left side, the person who found the object or article, that is Samriti Gupta, and the class 6B and roll number 42. So this was all about the notice on found. Okay, so what did you notice? That as shown in the above examples, what a notice should have. A notice should be brief and it should be to the point. It should contain all the details, okay, which can help to fulfill its purpose. Either it is lost or it is a found notice. Now students, look at some more examples. It is a notice from Girls Public School and it is located in Vivek Nagar. Okay, first of all, look at this notice. It is written on 9th August 2020. Okay, so have a look at this notice, what is about. Our school is going to organize a music program on the Independence Day. Okay, so what is this notice about? This is about to organize a music program. Okay, on which day? On Independence Day. The function will be held at 10:30 a.m. in the school auditorium. Okay, the time of the function is told here and the place where it is to be held. The municipal commissioner will be the chief guest, and here the chief guest who will inaugurate the function is told here, that the municipal commissioner will be the chief guest. Students who are good at light or and classical music and would like to participate in the program are requested to give their names to the Secretary Culture Association before 12 August. So children, so students, I have told you earlier that what is the role of a notice. Notice plays a very significant role in schools. Okay, and notices are given at notice board for information about holidays, celebrations and events. So this was a notice on event. Okay, I hope that you might have understood. Okay, now look at this other notice. It is from St. Peter's School, Salem. Okay, the name of the school is given here and the place, and here the date is given. That is 24 November 2020. And what is this notice about? This is about the inter-house cricket match which is to be played tomorrow is cancelled. The inter-house cricket match which is to be played tomorrow is cancelled because of the rainy weather. Okay, information will be given and after another date is fixed for the match. And who has given this notice? V. Ganesh. And what is the designation? He is sports secretary. Okay, so now you might have understood that what is this notice about. This notice is about an inter-house cricket match which was to be played, but unfortunately it has been cancelled because of rainy weather. Okay, and further information regarding this cricket match will be given later. Okay, so you might have understood this notice about. Okay, students, you might have understood that notice is an information written in a formal style. Okay, and what requirements a notice should have? It should have a heading. Okay, that is a proper heading for the notice should be, and the date, okay, on which the notice is written, and the name and designation of the people who have given the notice, and the notice should give complete and clear information.